Welcome to the amazing 409 Morrison Lane in Alameda, California. 3 words to best describe this home are brilliance, ease, and sophistication. This incredible home in the Alameda Landing development is less than 5 years old and offers over 2,600 square feet of luxury. As you enter your new home, the lower level offers an open floor plan connecting the family room to the dining room to the gourmet kitchen with its massive island and top-of-the-line appliances. This great room flows through double doors into a private side yard where you can escape and enjoy the perfect weather Alameda has to offer while sipping on local wines and spirits and playing with your family or furry friends. Upstairs, you will find an office space, laundry room, and 2 spacious ensuite bedrooms designed for ease and practicality. The spacious owner's suite overlooks the luscious, giant green lawn from a private balcony and has a spa-like bathroom that beckons with a separate shower, tub, and 2 sinks. The 3rd floor welcomes with an additional bonus room and the 3rd ensuite bedroom with views. This room is perfect for the nanny, guests, or family members who like to be away from it all. Alameda Landing is situated on the quickly developing west side of Alameda, yards away from shopping, entertainment, and restaurants. Wineries, distilleries, and breweries beckon only a mile away, or you can choose to enjoy the rich naval history with some of the best city views. This side of the island also offers 2 ferry stations only a few minutes away to get you quickly to San Francisco, as well as a free shuttle bus to take you to Bart, allowing you access to the entire Bay Area quickly and efficiently. Come, break on through to the other side and enjoy and explore your new home in the most exciting area that Alameda has to offer.